Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again today. We're gonna have fun unboxing the Teresa Collins and the Me and My Big Ideas Happy Planner collab that they did, and I'm super excited. I had to get it, girl. If you don't have the money right now to get it, use Afterpay because Afterpay is my best friend, okay? Afterpay is my best friend, okay? I love Afterpay. All right. So let's get right into it. First thing that I see when I open it, by the way, I opened the box upside down. So yeah, that was a mess. But is this cute little info card, and it shows you everything that you get in the box. So cute. I love it. And then it says tag your it, share your happy planner lifestyle with us. I always tag them and they do respond like all the time, so definitely do that. Oh my gosh, this makes me so excited to see what everything is. Oh, I'm so excited. I love planner stuff, guys, and I love pink and black, baby pink especially, and gold. Yeah. What I see is this Make Your Dreams Happen. It has the happy planner on the back. You can see the details. Like, I literally just got this. Like, I was so excited. I opened it upside down. I was just so excited. So inside, I'm assuming you can use this for like pens, washi tape, stuff like that, or you could even use it for a makeup bag if you want, but obviously this is for planner goods. But yeah, so mine is a little bent, I guess, because of the way that it was folded in the box, but it's cool. I'm sure it'll fix its shape once I put stuff in there. So it's just a plain little bag. You can always use these. This is cute. The next thing I see, which I'm really excited about because I actually don't own any. So I got these super cute, they're called like puff stickers. I love them. I wanted to show you guys up close. So, oh my goodness, how cute, right? And then the next thing is this little envelope. What exactly is this called? It's called a punched envelope. So you can fit it in your happy planner. And if you guys don't know, Happy Planner has it to where it's very customizable. You can get their hole puncher that they have and punch basically anything. Hole punch anything to fit into your happy planner, and the way that they design the little slots is so where it can go in and it doesn't come out, it won't rip the paper and all that stuff. But anyways, this is what this looks like, and then this is the back. I love this. This is so cute. I don't have anything like this for my planner. I've always wanted something like this. I used to make them back in the day. When I was like, I've been into planners since I was like, I think like 19, 20. I've been planning like every single day. So now I'm like to the extreme with my planning, and I have so much fun because I do stickers and stuff. But here's what the inside looks like. So you could really fit some good stuff. You could use this for build, you could use it for washi tape, you could use it for affirmation cards, you could use it for stickers. I don't know, there's so many things you could use it for. Okay, next is this Be Happy. I think this is the sticker book. Yeah, it is. It's the happy sticker book. So, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm gonna have to show you guys what it looks like as a flat lay, so everything is like not, so it's actually open correctly. I mean, facing the right way. But let me just show you guys. Okay, so it comes with a lot. Like, this is thicker than any sticker book I actually have by them, and I own I want to say like 20 of their sticker books, maybe 25, and then I have sticker books from other places and stickers. Okay, so this is 30 sheets. It doesn't say how many stickers I don't think are in here, but it's got 30 sheets, which is a lot. So I really like it. It's pink and black, which is like my favorite colors. I don't think I can say that enough. Here is okay, so I'm gonna show you what each sheet looks like really quickly. I am obsessed with this theme. I haven't even seen what these look like yet because I'm gonna just flip through for the first time with you guys. Okay, so we have these super cute floral ones here. I hope the lighting's okay, but And then this one that says today. I love these boxes. I'm going to be using all of these. I love them. I love the colors. Oh my gosh, how cute. Stay focused and extra sparkly. I love this empty graph book. Oh my goodness, the color theme of this is just so cute. I love it so much. This one has polka dots around it. Are you serious? How cute. I believe what I am. You got this. Okay, this is so cute. Just one more so you can see them, because if you're like me, like, I just can't believe how cute this is. Okay, so the next one, they're the longer strips that you can put on the side. I love it. It says hello gorgeous. That's so beautiful. Look at the font. Then this one says wake up, be awesome, stay kind, repeat. Choose to be grateful. So important. I love these little affirmations that you get in your planner. Super cute. Yesterday, tomorrow, now. Girl, do it now. Super cute. Okay, the next one we have is Happy Life. It's another one of those long ones. And then this one's Yay for Today, Get It Done. I love this theme. This is so cute. Seriously. Oh, you always need cute black and pink empty boxes. You could even put them like side by side if you wanted. And then these are like little washi sticker strips. And this is so cute. Oh my goodness, these are the things to do boxes. I love them. And then in the center they have these little little tabs that say all these different things. So cute. There's a lot in here. Now these are tabs that you can put on your journal, on the sides of your journal, you know, the little things that stick out, because they're just plain pink in this journal that we got with this box. Yes, focus, boss babe, get it done. Well, hello, love. Girl, I'm gonna be using this like forever. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. These are beautiful. I love these. Okay, so these are just a whole bunch of beautiful flowers. These are flowers as well, but they're gold foil. I love these strips in all my sticker books. They're like my fave. I love them. It really adds a pop to your planner. Super cute. Okay, these are adorable. I love these. I have another company's, I think it's Bando planners or something. They have these too, but they're all like about Bando, not like affirmations. I really like these. Think happy thoughts, take your time for yourself, enjoy every moment, be authentic, do more what makes you happy, slay today, love this, boss babe. Oh, these are so cute. And then again, but gold foiling. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite sticker book. Okay, me and my big ideas are happy planner. If you guys are watching this, please make more books like this with just like these beautiful color themes, or make this a permanent book, because I will buy this multiple times. I'm obsessed with this theme. This is beautiful. And you could use these in your regular planner too, not just your journal if you want. These are the washi strips. Now you have this big, huge box, radiate positivity. So you could write like affirmations there if you want. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite stickers. I wish there was multiples of these, because I would use it multiple times. Be you, not them. I love this one. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Love. Oh, this, seriously, I'm obsessed. I like the to-do stickers. So cute. I am fierce. I am unafraid. I am bold. Be your own hero. I love that. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Ooh, make today wonderful. I am, and you made it even more wonderful. Be a goal digger. Do what you love, and never, never, never give up. Sorry, can you see that okay? How cute. I love these stickers. I like want to like stare at all of them for so long. They're so gorgeous. Okay, the next one we have is choose to be happy. Be you, not them. Be authentic. So cute. Confidence is power. Oh no, this one got a little messed up. No. Hopefully it still works. Oh yeah, it's just the outer layer. This is so cute. I love these. I really like this one. I'm my biggest competition. Make it happen. Make life wonderful. Your story is your strength. Be bold. How cute are these, y'all? Oh, these are so pretty. I love that one. Oh, yay, they do have more of those, except they don't have the, it's just, what do you call this font? It's not script font, the other one. But that's okay. I still love these. These are like, my whole thing is gonna look so cute, my whole planner and journal. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love this, I love this, I love this. Okay, I think we're on the last page. These I love. Look at that. So adorable. Oh, we're not on the last page. We still have more. This sticker book is really big. Okay. Get it done. Make today count. I use these. I usually double them up. Wow. And they have the same thing with gold foil. Super cute. Let's see if I can get this to lay. It's kind of heavy. Oh, and then I think this is the last sheet of all these little strips. I use these to do like to-dos and stuff. Next is the get it done. I need this in my life. Like, girl, the fun thing about owning your own businesses and stuff like this is definitely business expenses because you need them to stay organized. It's basically like office stationery, things like that. So if you are a girl boss like me and you own businesses, girl. Okay, so let me show you guys what this looks like. I will do a up close of this as well. It's got the black with the gold detailing. Okay, so I love it. Goals, things to do, notes, and then Monday through Sunday on the right side. Adorable. What are they called? Inserts. And they say today on them. They're from 6 to 10 p.m. And then it says main focus. It has a date, to do, grateful for. I mean, I'm going to be so much more organized now. Like, thank you, Happy Planner, so much. I love you guys so much. If you watch this video, you guys literally make planning so fun and so simple for girl bosses like me or any woman, whether you work from home or you own your own business or you work for somebody. It just helps you stay organized. All my mommies out there, yeah. Okay, live your best life. On the back it says at the bottom, and it's just got a nice lined paper here for you to write. You could do scripting. You have the adorable, it's not a planner, it's called, so it's not a planner, it's called a guided journal, which you know you need a journal. I don't care what you're doing in life, you need a journal to script and write down things, to write down goals, to write down things you want to work on, things you're grateful for, things like that. Okay. Which is why the girl got this. You get all this stuff for $45. I'll insert the exact price right here, but okay, this says, it has a couple lines on it. Oh no. Oh, it's okay. This says stay focused. Super adorable. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys what the planner or the journal looks like really quickly. This is the inside. Super cute. Has the beautiful floral detailing. And this is what I was talking about, the plain strips. And then on this side it says week of, goals for this week, one area I would like to thrive in. Oh, I love this. I need this. I needed this. Little things that bring me joy. Oh, really? How cute. Simple ways I can be kinder to others. Intentions for this week. Whatever you're thinking, think bigger. What, girl? I love that, and I love the stripes at the bottom. I really like this. You could use this as like a, what's it called? Like a can't think. Okay, so the next thing is, this says date, how you're feeling, what empowered you today. Date, how are you feeling, what empowered you, one thing I'm feeling positive about today, today's highlight, today's silver lining, daily gratitude. And then each day I guess is different. So how did I take charge today, how I showed kindness, today's highlight, made me smile, today's silver lining, how it could be improved, daily gratitude. Oh my god, I love this. How I was loved today, how write an encouraging message to yourself. So it looks like the bottom's the same, but the top two are different. How was I courageous today? The people who make me happy include. So yeah, that's what the whole book looks like. And then each tab has a different one. So this one says the secret to having it all is knowing you already do. Be kind. Oh, I love this one. And then this one says never, never, never give. Okay, so the next thing that I got in the box, guys, all of this for so cheap, like seriously, so excited, is this cute mug. I love mugs, love mugs, and the inside's pink and outside's black. The handle's black. I'll do a zoom in for you guys. Super cute. And the bottom says the happy planner. Okay, so now you have these decal stickers. They are cling stickers, and they're basically affirmations. Like, I'm obsessed. I already put them on all my mirrors. So I really like them. Okay, last but not least are these cute washi tapes, which I've never... I do have washi tapes. Did I say I didn't have washi tapes? I do have washi tapes, but I don't have any of their washi tapes. I really like these. I will insert a clip of what they look like up close. I love them. So the top one says I am enough with pink hearts. Then there's floral with gold, and then the be brave, be bold. Okay, so that was everything. I'm super excited. I kind of want to do like a planning a spread video where I'm actually like sitting down and using this stuff and showing you guys how I use it. I think that would be super cute. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that. If you get this, let me know what you think below in the comments, all that good stuff. And I really hope you enjoy this. If you want to see more, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. It helps me to know what you guys like. And also make sure you share. I should do like a planner giveaway, like planner stickers or something like that. I don't know. I feel like so many of my viewers, because they're like 98% female, like all 40,000 of my followers and friends, they are basically females. I think I have about 1.5% men. Hey guys out there, which is cool. But anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely be uploading again this week. Unless this is my second video, then I'll upload next week. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Hey, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos. Also, follow me, girl. And check out my blog, luxlips.com. Mwah.